Hey guys, welcome to SN Web Stroll, and today we will be using Wolfram API in Python. For this you need to install Wolfram API using pip command. We will put up in our blog as well as in the description below. So first we need to import Wolfram API using import keyword. After this we will be defining a function gk. After defining it, we will be printing a statement so that user knows that next if they have to give an input. So we will print the statement, please enter your question below. Okay, after this we will be taking the input. So using the variable quest, we will define the input function. So inside quest our input will be taken, and then we will be writing our app ID. To get the app ID you have to register yourselves in Wolfram API, and the whole process will be mentioned in our blog, when we will be putting up the link for the blog below in the description. So this is our app ID generated by Wolfram API. So in the app ID, be storing the app ID in the app ID variable. Okay, so after this we will be taking a variable client, and we will Wolfram API alpha dot, we will be calling the function client, and inside that we will pass the app ID. So we have passed the app ID and we have stored it in the variable client. Now we will take a variable res and we will pass the query through this. So client dot query, and inside this we will pass our input quest quest. After storing in the result in quest, after passing quest through res variable, we will be taking another variable ans, and then we will using the next function and we will passing the res variable in which we have passed our quest, that is our input, and we will take our result in ans variable in text format. After this we will be printing our ans variable so that we can get the result of the question we have asked, and then we will call the function gk. So this is the code, and now I'll be running the code. So it has asked me to enter the question. Now I'll be asking the question, President of India. So as you can see, Ramnath Kovind from 25 2017 to present, it has answered our question. So we can try it once more. Please enter your question below. It has given us the prompt, it has printed, so we can enter our question here. So what will be the question? We will ask Prime Minister of India and it has answered correctly, Narendra Modi. So this is it guys.